Hello guys, welcome once again back to the training session of the Mgmk Logistics India Private Limited. First you have to take your notebook and pen to note essential details to learn how to do access. We have two columns, inbound and outbound calls. So you have to go through all this. First check about the outbound calls. How to do this, how to do access. No need to delete anything because deleting everything will erase everything. Move to next point, data provided. Here in this section, in this tab, we have provided all the datas. It is, for example, we are sharing this data to you. So this datas will be updated through our operational team. For suppose take one name, Indal Aluminium Corporation Limited. Okay, we have also provided the Gmail ID and phone number. So you have to call to the customer and get him convinced. If he is not reaching up, so what you have to do is first take the name of the company, go to Google, search. While you search these things, you will get multiple names of the same company name. So what you have to do is, instead of getting confused, the best process you have to do is see whether we are checking multiple names. Instead of checking all these multiple names, we have to go back to this again sheet. You have to take the phone number, you have to check in Google. See, this is the correct company details. Let's cut this one. Okay, you can check here the number. If not, you can search by Gmail ID also. I will cancel this all. This is the Gmail ID you got. Click on that and you will get the details. If sometimes company name doesn't appears, then we have the phone number and Gmail ID both. If we don't have the Gmail ID, you can search for phone number. You can, if you didn't have the phone number, you can search by Gmail ID. Okay, as per this, you can search, you can call, and you can convince the customer or client. Then you have to enter the details here. Can you see this tab? Data enter tab. This is the third tab. You have to click and you have to enter the company name, client name, designation, contact number. This is the daily call reporting. Okay, this is the last sheet. As you can see, the date, the client and customer name, customer number, material type. You can see this. You can upload any material which you can get from call. When the client says been done, you convince the client. Then you have to put the date of pickup and time also you have to put. Okay, suppose sometimes it happens, uh, tomorrow you want pickup, it's okay. Loading and unloading point, suppose it goes from Punjab to Chennai, Kerala to Punjab. These you have to mention. You have to mention also the quantity of the material. For suppose the material quantity is like 100, or suppose you can 1000, or suppose you can put 2000 according to the material. Okay, if 2000 boxes are there, you have to put 2000 boxes. Then you have to check what is the material. Like for example, material has length, breadth, height, weight also. If suppose the material is like quantity based, you have to mention quantity, length, breadth, height and weight also. If material is like coal, you have to put weight only. For suppose material is like coal. Okay, you have to put 3 metric ton, 2 metric ton, anything you can put. If suppose the material is like plastic pallets, plastic box, anything. So when the material is plastic box, you have to maintain the quality and quantity. You have to mention in quantity. For example, there is a 350 quantity of the boxes. Then you have to mention length, breadth, height and weight. The length should be, for example, 3 feet. Breadth should be, for suppose, 4 feet. Height should be 6 feet. And you have to also mention the weight of a particular box. 4 met 4 kg. Okay, then multiplied by total weight. If customer is interested or confused or not interested, you have to mention also that. If not interested, you have to put the reason, also mention your name. Okay, if confused, also put the reason. Only you have to see the status bar. Here you can get the payments. You have to put pending, not ready or confused. Okay, if not ready to contact with us, you have to put the reason. If he's like ready, then you have to put pending, or if he's confused, you have to put confused. The done should be done by operation team. Remember, never put done status. Operation team will put the done status, and according to that you will get daily, weekly and monthly salary. Okay, so it is filtered, and no worries, and these things will be done by operational team, and according to that you will be paid daily, weekly and monthly basis. No worries about that, we will provide you everything. Okay, now get back to the thing, how to handle inbound calls. Here is the inbound calls. Don't read the red lines. Red lines only mention here to understand, make you understand better way. Okay, only you have to convince according to the process flow which is mentioned here. We are, then you have to enter the data which is you will put in daily call report. If they call to ask for the vehicle types, you have multiple vehicle types. The size also is mentioned in the feet, truck, trailer, container, everything. As you can see, we have this much of metric tons trucks available, 18 feet truck available, 19 feet, everything details is here. You have to understand these things. Okay, so you have to go through these sheets. We will provide you everything in the mail format. You can find also, if somebody is calling and asking for the truck, you can type truck, you can search it here. If somebody is asking for 20 feet, everything, no worries for that. We will provide you in the mail, so to understand you better. And then you have to fill this form also. Okay, material they asked for to pick up, date, from, to, metric ton, how much quantity, length, breadth, height, weight. Maybe he's interested in transportation with you. Your name should be given. You have to put pending or convinced status. Done status will be again put by the operational team only. Thank you. It's all right. Is there any more confusion? Get back to tabs. We will provide you, we will share you with your name and with your regional areas. Okay, thank you.